How to disable recommended videos on YouTube. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily disable recommended videos on YouTube. Now let's just jump right in. Open up your YouTube application first. And once you open it up, make sure that you are logged into your account. Very first thing you do is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. And you can find your watch history over here. So what you need to do basically is go over to history and manage your history. Tap on this gear icon at the top right. Tap on manage all history. And then what you basically do is clear out all of your entire watch and search history from here. You can do that by going over to delete and then tap on delete all time. And then tap on delete from here. Once that is done, all of your watch and search history will be deleted. Then what you need to do is pause your history. So tap on saving your watch history over here. And then you need to turn off your history controls. Tap on pause. Once you've done that, you can go back. Now, all you have to do here is go over to your home screen. And if you still get recommended videos, as you can see, I haven't gotten any recommended videos since I've turned off my history. But if you still get the recommended videos just like this, you need to go ahead and tap on the video and then select not recommend or not interested, and you'll be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.